Hey, Tommy. Hey, Jason.
Hey, Kevin. Hey, Kevin.
So we got some windows going in?
Yes, sir. Two new construction wood windows.
Two of those over here?
Yep. Two windows in this wall.
What's your plan of attack?
What we're going to do is we're going to add a double king stud on either side of our openings and a triple mullion stud in the center. Make our cuts, remove whatever unneeded structure we have left.
Triple in the center because you're saying those are not going to be molded together.
They are not. They're two separate windows.
And the nice thing about this wall, if you look up top, when this wall was framed, it was framed with a 4x6 beam, and that is actually called a drop girth. It's going to carry a lot of weight.
Okay.
And this is a gable end. Gable end means that above this wall and above that beam are rafters that run up here, and it's a triangle that's pushing down. So all of the weight of the wall is distributed equally over that beam.
So essentially, rafters are taking the roof weight and putting it mostly to that wall, and less to this one.
Right. Because of that, this is more than sufficient to carry the weight that's needed for the opening of those windows.
Meaning we don't need to add a header specifically for those windows.
Nope, but that plate there, now because it's carrying an opening, it becomes the header for the windows.
Gotcha, okay. So how do you want to get started?
We have a bunch of studs cut already, so we'll just grab them, get them in place, and then we'll get this wall opened up. We set this laser level up to reference the window heights from the new addition. We'll measure down for our sill height, and then we can cut our opening through to the outside.
Look at that, huh?
Nice.
Well, that is some nice views from the new laundry room.
Absolutely.
Now we have a little more prep work to do outside, like remove the shingles, tighten up the sheathing, and we're in business.
That's it.
Thanks, Jay. Nice working with you.
Absolutely. Thanks for the help, guys.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.